Filters add a certain aesthetic to your image. But here's the thing, not every filter sits well with every image. It depends on a couple of things. What your image is, how do you plan to use it, and what's the whole theme of your design is. So today I'm going to show you how you can quickly and instantly add a sepia filter to any image using Pixelied. Pixelied is an online web-based design tool that takes care of all your design needs. So to get to our editor, type in pixelied.com/upload, and here we are. Now to upload our own image, click on this button and select an image from your storage. Okay, so we have our image down to the Pixelide's editor. Now to add a sepia filter to this image, just select it and click on this button which says image effects and filters. And we see we have a bunch of different filters that we can apply to this image. So to apply the sepia filter, click on this and it's done. So it only took us a couple of seconds to apply a sepia filter to this image. Now if you want to download it, just click on the download button, select a format. Let's say I want a JPG and click on download. So let's look at it and it's done. Now feel free to use this image. Or let's see what more we can do using Pixelied. So we already saw a bunch of more filters here, like this grayscale one or this vintage one or this brownie one. But let's go over to the effects tab and see what we can do over here. So under the basic adjustment, we can adjust the image's brightness like this. We can add a little contrast, increase the saturation, and play around with the emboss, hue, vibrance, or even sharpen the image. But I'm going to leave them as it is. And let's see what we have down over here. So we can add a blur effect from here like this. We can add some noise to this image like this. And then we have some more stuff. So feel free to play around these. And when you're done, just go over to this download button, click here, and again choose a format and download. So you see, that's how easy it is to do just anything using Pixelied, whether be it adjusting the image's brightness or adding a filter or doing both. Alright, so we saw how easily and instantly we can add a filter to our image. So the thing with Pixelied is that due to its vast options of effects and filters, you can always tweak your image into exactly what you want. So go ahead to pixelied.com/upload, upload your images and add some aesthetic filters to it. Also, stick to this channel because Pixelied has got a lot for you in store.